Hi everybody, happy May. It's very exciting. School's almost done. Anyway, so another exciting topic for this monthly is what is DNA genetics? So excited. So this is the What is DNA unit book, level AA. Cells come from our bodies.
Body.
Everything we have is made up of cells. Here in our cells, they're everywhere. Our bones, our eyes, our hair. All cells have a different job. They work in our bodies. But who's the boss of the cells? DNA, this thing that looks like a ladder. Who tells it what to do? Who tells those cells what to do? The DNA tells the eyes and hair what to do, what color to make them, everything. Who's the boss? DNA. DNA is the boss of your cells. Okay, make sure you log in and do your work associated with the unit book. Have a great day. I miss you guys.